project consists of water blasting to about an inch below the top mat of steel, which is actually exposed, and then we will come back on top of that with 3 inches of new fresh concrete just to insulate the steel, keep it preserved. And then we also have a problem underneath both of the bridges where the riprap, which is large rock, are washing away, slipping, and so now the caps are exposed, the piling are exposed, and so we will be placing riprap to shore that up as well. So on Friday, October the 18th, we will be closing down the eastbound lane starting at 7 p.m. and that will run through the following Thursday morning at 6 a.m. And then on Friday, October the 25th, we will shut down the westbound lane beginning at 7, and then we will open it back up Thursday morning at 6 a.m.